Josh Denbo, Denbo, and Denbo. To my followers who watch my videos regularly, thank you so much. I'm glad you find them useful. To people who are new to my channel and my Facebook videos, look, I think that I hope that I'm useful to you and helpful. I am a consumer rights attorney in New Jersey. I save people's homes. I protect people from predatory creditors and debt collectors. It's what I do, and I love my job. But last night, I issued a video that got a lot of coverage, and it was a rage-based video. And the reason was because it's now abundantly 100% clear that there isn't going to be a second stimulus, not till the end of the year, not until next year, at the very minimum. And that's because Donald Trump issued a tweet for whatever stupid reason, saying that he's told his administration to cut off all negotiations with Congress about issuing a second stimulus. We got 25 days before the election. This is not about your politics. You could hate Donald Trump. You could love Donald Trump. I don't particularly care. The bottom line is there's not going to be a second stimulus. And if you've been waiting for it, as many people have, because you kind of expect your federal government to, help during a pandemic, it's not coming. And you have to face that reality. And I want to talk to homeowners this time. To people who don't own homes, who rent and are just dealing with credit card debt and student loans. I promise you I will have videos again in the future. But this one is about homeowners in New Jersey. And I want to tell you how you can save your home and make money in the face of a lack of a stimulus, and almost always without filing bankruptcy. That's what this video is about. How to save your home, make money without filing bankruptcy and without the government helping you. I know that this is a ridiculous proposition to people because everybody approaches foreclosure with, oh my God, I'm in foreclosure. All I'm going to do is lose. Because no matter what happens, I'm in foreclosure. I'm already losing. No, not really. Not really. The New Jersey foreclosure process can be leveraged to your benefit. And I think I do that better than just about anybody else in the state. I really do. I understand how the mortgage servicing industry works. I understand the mortgage rules and laws in New Jersey. I understand the foreclosure system in New Jersey. I understand how to use the bankruptcy code in limited capacity it's supposed to be used. It doesn't solve all your problems. You can Google bankruptcy and talk to somebody who's going to tell you to file bankruptcy, but it's not going to resolve your foreclosure case. It's not going to resolve the problem with your house. What's going to resolve the problem with your house is you. And the foreclosure process, properly handled, is how you do it. And this is the 30,000-foot secret that I tell people when I meet them face to face. I tell them during my Zoom meetings. I tell them during the presentation seminars I provide. And that's this. The foreclosure process in New Jersey provides homeowners many, many, many rights that are extraordinarily complicated and difficult to identify and prosecute, but it's what I do. So if you take for a fact that from the filing of the foreclosure complaint to the date of sale is a year, minimum, if you answer the foreclosure complaint and defend yourself, then you know that you have an opportunity to get your house, your financial house, in order. Have you lost your job? As many people have. Have your hours been reduced? As many, many people's hours have. What's going to be true in a year? I don't know. You don't know. Hopefully, we're going to be better off in a year. Let's plan on that. And let's use this next year, if you're in foreclosure, to fight back against the bank in a profitable way. When I say that is this. The cost of doing business with the right foreclosure defense attorney, the right consumer rights attorney during the foreclosure process is so much less than a reasonable housing payment. As long as you have any income whatsoever, you're going to be banking a positive number every month while you fight the bank with an opportunity to delay, to buy yourself time, and oftentimes get the bank to make a mistake and then sue them in federal court to put money in your pocket. So there are many, many ways to utilize a foreclosure case. I'm going to be putting out seminars on this because there's very few other people in New Jersey, very few other lawyers in New Jersey who are giving you this information. And it's really important to have. It's really important. So sit down, Google, research, get knowledgeable, and be careful and be smart. My consults are always free. The federal government may not be helping you right now. I'm helping right now, one consumer at a time, one household at a time, one community leader at a time. I just help people. My consults are free. You can reach me directly on my cell phone, 201-970-6534. You can email me directly, me, not my assistant, not an answering service, jdenbo@denbolaw.com. My website's right here, Denbo Law. You can fill in the form. That's a great way to reach me. It goes directly to me. No intermediary. You're going to get me like that. And then we can set up a Zoom call, put eyeballs on each other, and you ask me the questions about your situation. I'll give you the straight answers. And you can decide what you want to do. There's no cost, no risk. The worst that happens is you end up with some really good, solid legal advice for free. That's your worst case scenario. All right? So I can help a lot of people. I am going to help a tremendous number of people as this pandemic crushes the economy. And I'd like to try to help you. So reach out. Let's have a chat. And I can pretty much guarantee you at the end of that chat, even if it's just for 40 minutes, it's going to be free. But even more importantly, you're going to understand how the system works. And you're going to just feel empowered and better able to defend yourself and protect your family. That's my promise to you. All right, everybody. Deep breath, center yourself, be ready for a fight because I'm ready for you. I'm ready for them, and I am going to fight for you. Call me.